how to stay focused, because you are also in a industry, in a place where there is a lot of distraction, and
Yes.
every day new things are popping up on social media. How do you make sure that your children are focused and not distracted in life? Is there any strategy that you follow? Is there any practice that you follow? Is there any different that you do as a mother?
Yes. First and foremost thing to stay focused is less of gadget usage.
Mhm.
Like I feel कि अगर ये gadgets होते ही नहीं, things would have been so different. Like I remember हम खेलते रहते थे घर के बाहर घंटों घंटों, and mom used to just call, just come, have your milk, have your food. We had no
यार इसको
time.
पता ही नहीं होता था हम कहाँ हैं। चार चार
हम कहाँ
घंटे इसको पता ही नहीं होता था कि कहाँ हैं बच्चे।
exactly, and I really miss that. Our kids are not seeing that life. So the first and the foremost thing is जितना आप कम usage gadgets का कर सकते हो, like whether it's me, whether it's my kids, there is screen time for them. Number one. Number two, I have divided their classes, their schedule, so that your mind is diverts, like deviates less on all those other things which is not necessary. So maybe like अगर आप पूरे दिन busy हो on productive things, like for example my son is very good in football, so he plays football like twice a week. My daughter is very good in dancing and aerial, so she goes for dancing twice a week. So this is how I've scheduled their classes. Screen time definitely, and their other things. So इससे क्या होता है ना, आप डिफोकस नहीं होते हो, आप फोकस ज्यादा रहते हो, एंड वेन एवर डिफोकस थिंग्स कम्स, you don't have time to sit and even give more time to that.
Since you are a very busy person, how do you make sure that you are keeping a tab on your children and you're connected?
Okay. So sometimes it is very difficult because आप ज्यादा अगर उन लोग को पुल करोगे या पुश करोगे, they will might divert themselves to a negative
Yeah,
area.
yeah.
So it's a very sensitive thing, and so sometimes me and my husband, we play the bad cop and the good cop. And recently, I was so happy, like I always just think that my son never shares anything with me. He shares everything with my husband. But I was so happy that he shared everything, whether it was his girlfriends, his school, his issues. And I think that was like a trophy for me, that, ऐसा नहीं होता है that only sons are close to their fathers. They
Yeah.
can be close to their fathers. And I want to be one of those mothers who's close to their kids, and they should share everything with me because my parents have done that with me. Like I still remember love letters aate the, and proposals aate the, and my parents used to sit with like on the dining table, and we used to read the letters, and we used to laugh because koi koi ki English itni funny hoti thi. And so we had a great time. They never forced me about marrying. They never forced me ki isko chodo, ye friend ko chodo, isko choose karo. They let me be me.
Yeah. Take
So that
decision.
was exactly, this is what I want my kids to do, is let them be themselves,
So
let them grow. आपने अपना
how would you react if he chooses somebody that you do not like? Maybe, sometime
I can
teenagers.
guide him. I can guide him, but at the end, it's his choice. I'll be always there for him. Maybe I want him to learn on his own.
Hmm.
Him and her, like whatever,
Allowing
whatever
him to
Vanisha.
make mistakes. Yeah.
Yeah, I can guide him. Rest, let him learn on his own. That's what I would want for both my kids to do.
Yeah. That's amazing. क्योंकि जितना आप पुल करेंगे, they will get more repel on that. कि
Exactly.
इसी को
It's a
गर्लफ्रेंड
very
बना।
sensitive thing. So जितना आप उनसे friendship करोगे, उनसे open रहोगे, उतना they will open up with you. And I feel, छोटी छोटी चीजों को importance नहीं देना चाहिए. Like I think, like, we scream on our kids for small things. ये क्यों गिराया, ये क्यों कर दिया, marks ऐसे क्यों आए. नहीं, it's okay. Like again, I always tell my kids one more thing, that I'm not saying कि तुमको जीतना पड़ेगा. Give your best. ये मत आके बोलना कि मम्मा आई कुड हैव डन बेटर. नो, गिव योर बेस्ट. ये मम्मा आई गेव माय बेस्ट, उसके बाद नहीं हुआ, दैट्स अ डिफरेंट थिंग. But give your best, and then we'll see whatever happens. And I think that's what, because of maybe these reasons, they are excelling. As I told you, Viman is the national level Lego champion. Vanisha is aerial champion. They all are very good in their extracurricular and their studies too.
जो
So
कर रहे
God
हैं
has been
वो 100% कर रहे हैं, तो वो आप एनर्जी उनमें डाल रहे हैं कि जो करो उसमें पूरा एनर्जी डालो, बाकी देखा जाएगा।
एंड कंपेयर कभी मत करना, लाइक दिस इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक अ पेरेंट डज इन हिज और हर लाइफ, इज कंपेयरिंग। उसको देखो, उसके इतने मार्क्स आए, उसको देखो, उसने ये पहना, उसको देखो, उसका ये चीज हुआ। नो, योर चाइल्ड इज इक्वली स्पेशल।
या
सो सेलिब्रेट योर चाइल्ड,
या
शी इज,
लेकिन
एंड
आप
दैट्स हाउ ही will celebrate you.
हम्म, हम अपने बच्चे की स्ट्रेंथ्स भूल के ना दूसरे बच्चे के सक्सेस में ध्यान देने लग जाते हैं। हो सकता है आपका बच्चा ड्राइंग में इतना अच्छा है कि वो स्पोर्ट्स में अच्छा नहीं होना चाहता, मेक हिम एन आर्टिस्ट इंस्टेड ऑफ मेकिंग हिम अ स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन। सो दिस इज वन मैसेज आई वांट टू गिव टू ऑल द पेरेंट्स आउट देयर कि किसी भी स्किल को छोटा या बड़ा मत समझो, स्किल स्किल है। एंड आजकल टाइम ऐसा है, आप किसी भी स्किल पे मोनेटाइज कर सकते हो। इट्स जस्ट दैट यू
and see
फॉलो राइट
and
डायरेक्शन।
see the in your child and enhance that.
या
Don't force him to do anything which he doesn't like, he or she doesn't like. Don't force.
या
Because आप जितना force करोगे उतना वो child rebel करेगा और उतना वो against जाएगा उस चीज से,
एब्सोल्युटली।
including
Including what did you say? It got cut.
पढ़ाई.
पढ़ाई।
Yeah, like I remember I was not a 90% student. I was always a 70% student. So I don't remember my parents forcing me पढ़ना पड़ेगा या 90% लाना पड़ेगा. Rather they saw the other things inside me, the other talents. Like I was an RJ radiometry. Just they saw that in me, and they saw how I would get good with other things, like maybe it's passion, whether it's a debate, anything, and they pushed me to that, towards that. And I think that helped me. I took acting classes, I took anchoring classes and other things, and that's how that led me to what I am today.